What's up guys, welcome back to the channel again, coming at you with another video today. So we're going to be doing a POV style video. I've already done a couple of these before, but not in San Antonio, just in College Station and Bryan. So we're going to be filming, going over, we'll just driving around a couple of places just to kind of see, the area around here, and hopefully I'll get another good view of the camera, but links will be in the description below if you are interested in buying a GoPro like mine. But let's go ahead, drive around, just get a video in, see how things go, but let's go. All right, so here's the whip. You already know, Corvette Z51 2014. There's what we're gonna be driving. There's the garage back there. Gotta be careful. Safety first, as always. All right. Now we're gonna try it like this. I've never tried it like this before, but I'm always thinking a good idea. So we're gonna try this first. Bad thing about this place is the speed bumps. Gotta go slow. Guys, well, hopefully y'all can hear me pretty good right now, hopefully, but I just wanted to make the quick video just to show y'all, POV shot. I'm trying this angle out. I just thought of it when I got in here. I will try doing it on the forehead, see how that goes there, but just wanted to make a quick video here. As far as updates go, I am living in San Antonio now. Y'all seen the videos before, the move and the move in and stuff like that, so I am living here now. I do love it. It's different from where I was back home in College Station, Bryan, because the area is much smaller, not as much traffic and stuff, but you kind of get used to it as far as the amount of traffic and stuff. Change it right here real quick, and then we can we'll head out again, go down that way. Let's see. All right guys, we got the headphone mount on here. It's a little awkward. I'm trying a different angle, so let's kind of see how this one goes. Alright guys, well I'm pretty much nearing the end of the thing that I was wanting to do. Just drive around, get a feel of, you know, trying to figure out the best positioning for this camera, and taking the POV shots. I know I did 2 different angles here, so I'll probably use both of them for filming as far as that goes, but you know, just trying to figure that out there. So alright guys, well hope y'all enjoyed the nice video, the POV angles, and hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you do enjoy the content on this channel. More videos will be coming, so just stay tuned. I got a lot of stuff that I'm going to be doing just along the, you know, the time that I'm having this car. But until the next video guys, hope y'all all have an awesome day. Y'all have a good one. See y'all in the next one. Peace.